Hey everybody, in this video I'll show you the procedure on how can you fix Sony WH-1000XM5 won't connect to MacBook. So in order to fix it, you could follow these steps. To connect your Sony WH-1000XM5 headphones to your MacBook, first of all ensure your Mac is running a macOS at 10.15 or later and that the headphones are charged as well. Now first thing, you have to make sure that you have sufficient charge, and next you want to hold down the power button for approximately 5 to 7 seconds until then you want to open up your MacBook. Then you want to open the Bluetooth settings on your MacBook. For that, you want to navigate to System Preferences or Settings and select Bluetooth. And then what next you want to do is your MacBook should detect the headphone in a pairing mode. Click on WH-1000XM5 in a list of device and follow the on-screen instructions. You locate it, once paired, you may need to select the headphones as a default audio output device in your MacBook System Preferences under Sound, and that should be able to help you out. If not, the headphones don't show up, try turning Bluetooth off and on again on your MacBook and updating the firmware on your headphones or phones connected app. Or else you could simply contact the support team, let them know about it, and they will be able to help you out in this matter. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.